Kurumirira urugari wa kiuteti uri okoretwo ku bururi-ini ica-ini ikubi, munini wa President William Ruto ugite thirikari yake itigwikara thi kwirorera ateti amwe makirete rumena no kabira bururi-ini.
The politics of ethnicity and hate and division are retrogressive. They have no place in the Kenya of today.
Bamwe na uguo Ruto ni abete mukana ateti ari marari miari ya kugayukania muingi ithenya-ini ria kumanyitithania guku akiuga ari mekunyitikana makiari miari ya gucugira ngui ni mekuero ikinya ria kiwatho.
We will do whatever it takes, pay whatever price it will cost us to make sure this region is peaceful, is united, communities live together harmoniously.
Undu uyu ni unyitetwo mbaru ni atongoria kanitha wa Gatoreki makiuga wira munene wa kanitha ni gutigirira thirikari ni yarumirira utongoria mwega.
We may not always agree with everything, but you have our support.
We are praying for our president and our country Kenya. We continue praying for stability.
Undu uyu ukite oriri atongoria kuma ciama itiganite cia kiuteti makoretwo na ndereti na ciuria nyingi cia no ukarirukia bendera ya president mwaka wa 2022. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, njitagwo Masi Wadia wa Muriithi.